So who got there? Alex.
What?
Alex, have you got there? On your arm. Why did you get him?
Huh?
Why did you get him?
Because he looks nice and fluffy.
Yeah, but why were you bought a present?
Because she would like it and it can make noises.
No, not Mummy. I'm saying, why did I buy you a present?
Because I want to look like it.
That's it. That's exactly right.
All because I've just forgot what to do.
Yeah, exactly. You only forgot. That's all it was, wasn't it?
Not because I didn't like it,
No.
just what I forgot what to do.
That's right. And then you remembered what to do, didn't you?
And I copied someone so I know what
To do, yeah, exactly. Yeah. But you did it. That's the main thing. This is where our hotel is, down these little medieval streets. There's a little Christ thing. Here comes some other people. Oh, there's a big one, see? There's a big one. Big bit of ice. That could be your ice friend. Probably falling off the roof. Got it. Now he's got some more friends. Yeah, I've done it. I've taken a video.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
No, it's a video. I'll show you when we go back to the bedroom, okay?
That was a good one, wasn't it?
Okay, bye.